How to use Lime CRM. In today's video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on Lime CRM and tell you why it's a smart CRM choice. Lime CRM is a versatile and easy to use platform built to help businesses manage their customer relationships more efficiently. Whether you're tracking leads, resolving support tickets, or coordinating marketing activities, Lime CRM gathers all your client data in one centralized hub. In today's video, we'll give you a detailed look at the core features of Lime CRM and show you how to use them to enhance your customer experience in 2025. First is the personalized dashboard setup. One of the standout features of Lime CRM is its customizable interface. You can tailor the dashboard to suit your specific workflows, adjust fields, filter views, and arrange modules however you like. This helps team focus on only the essential tasks, making the platform simple to use and boosting overall efficiency. Then we have the complete customer insight. Lime CRM provides a 360-degree customer profile, giving your team access to everything relating to each client. From emails and call history to documents, sales activities, and past support cases, all in one view. This unified perspective allows your team to deliver more tailored and effective service. And then we have the sales funnel management. You can easily track and manage sales opportunities using Lime CRM's drag and drop pipeline. Visualize each deal as it moves through stages, assign tasks, and keep up momentum. This ensures your sales team stays focused on high priority deals and can close more efficiently. Then we have built-in case handling. With integrated support ticket management, Lime CRM allows you to create, assign, monitor, and resolve customer issues directly inside the system. This keeps your support history organized, improves response consistency, and leads to higher customer satisfaction. So, why choose Lime CRM? Lime CRM is a great fit for small and mid sized teams looking for a solution that is powerful yet simple. It's adaptable to various industries, offers a clean and modern interface, and ensures high user engagement across departments. With frequent updates and dependable vendor support, Lime CRM is a strong long term option for your business. So, in short, Lime CRM helps you stay in control of your customer data, improve team collaboration, and drive better business results. So, if you're looking for a streamlined and flexible CRM to implement in this year, Lime is definitely worth checking out. With the right configuration, it can become the backbone of your customer success strategy. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.